Hi, I'm Amy and I'm a designer with Cocreations Construction, and I'd like to talk to you about renovating with a budget in mind. One of the first things that I ask my clients to do is to decide on their non-negotiables, the things that they absolutely must have. Sometimes that can be hardwood flooring or a renovated kitchen that's up to their standards, but making as many decisions ahead of time is very important. It makes the process flow much smoother, and I've been able to help my client know where to put their money. The second thing I'd like to consider with working with someone on a budget is to determine the things that you want that are not easy to change. For instance, a countertop is fairly simple to take in and out, but a tile backsplash is much more labor intensive and expensive. So decide on those things that are very difficult to change and put those in first. You can always change out light fixtures, you can change out plumbing, you can change out appliances. It's very difficult to change your flooring and your tile. So those are two tips I give my clients.